Hi there, this is Jeff Blake for Stone River, and I'd like to welcome you to How to Become a Professional Logo Designer. I have loaded this course full of information, methodologies, structured all kinds of content for you to help you become a professional logo designer. With this course, you'll understand the role of logos, the function that they serve, how it ties into branding, and how most logos are actually ignored and how that's okay. You'll be able to see logos, whether they're globally recognized brands or unique to specific markets, in a whole new way. You'll learn why small businesses, startup businesses, even medium-sized businesses need your skills as a professional logo designer. You'll learn how to organize a logo's visual information and communicate to viewers in nonverbal ways via color, shape, and typography. You'll learn about the various types of logos and how they work and how they function. You'll learn about the 6-step logo design process, from initial information gathering from your client all the way through to final logo delivery. You'll learn about graphics fundamentals, how various software applications fit together into the logo design puzzle, and you'll see a variety of step-by-step hands-on processes for developing your own logos. So I hope all that sounds fun. There's a whole lot ahead of us, so let's dig into it. Here it is: How to Become a Professional Logo Designer.